Good morning, Mr. McVeigh. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm doing great.
Awesome. For the entire audience, this is Ahmed Hasan from San Francisco, California. And with me, I have a good friend and an amazing visionary entrepreneur, Mr. Ention McVeigh. He's the chairman affiliate for Liberium Crypto. Now, before I get into this amazing business opportunity, I want you guys to hear this out. We don't want your money. This is one unique global business opportunity where nobody's asking you for your money, not even Mr. McVeigh, who's the chairman affiliate. I don't want it. Your money, your Bitcoin will remain safe in your uh, whatever, what do you call
Exchange,
exchange
exchange.
exactly that you
Yeah,
use, you know, uh, whether you use KuCoin or, there are a couple of other ones. So I wanted to share that before we get into this amazing opportunity. Uh, Secondly, I just want to, again, before we start off, I want to let you know you don't have to recruit anyone. So we don't want your money. You don't have to recruit anyone. Still, and yet you can make generational wealth with Bitcoin, with this business opportunity. But if you do share it with others, amazing. I mean, this platform will pay you in real time in Bitcoin, and we'll talk about it more. I'm super excited. So I'm going to allow Mr. McVeigh to introduce himself, where he is right now, and let's ask him a few questions about this amazing product that where he's the chairman affiliate. So, Mr. McVeigh, if you want to introduce yourself, please.
sure. Thanks, Ahmed. Thank you for having me as your guest, and thank you for being a part of Liberian Crypto and trusting and believing. I'm originally from Dallas, Texas, in America, and I got introduced to cryptocurrency about 7 years ago. I had a mentor, a Chinese lady that was actually born in Vietnam, but raised in Los Angeles, California. She had known me for 10 years in the direct sales space, and she began to teach me about blockchain technology, crypto and Bitcoin. This was back, I mean, when Bitcoin was about $350. And
Wow.
so I went all in. I trusted and I believe it. But at the same time, I started seeing several different types of crypto business models, and I lost 11 Bitcoins. So I kind of went through some things, and I end up, I'm now in Asia. I'm living in Hanoi, Vietnam. That's where I am now, and
Okay.
I love it.
That's awesome.
So yeah, through the experience of losing 11 Bitcoins, I started looking at several different models that were out there. And, you've got your high risk models, you got your, kind of medium risk. And I felt that there was a model missing.
Okay.
And that's basically what I wanted to create. I wanted to give people what I was looking for. And we built this out with Liberium Crypto to be able to give consumers what I felt was needed in the cryptocurrency space.
That's awesome. So can you tell a little bit more about the software platform?
Yes, it's a software that's geared toward traders and consumers.
Okay.
Traders, from the standpoint, a lot of traders that we had talked to, they had their Telegram channels, their WhatsApp channels and groups, and what they would do is send trade signals through the WhatsApp channel. And of course, the recipients on the other end would have to know how to go into their exchange and execute a buy, execute a sell, in which the majority of the people don't know how to do that in crypto. But also, there would be a time difference. Sometime when the trader would send those signals, some of the customers in the database wouldn't be able to take those trades because they were asleep. And
Yep.
so to be able to have a software like Liberium Crypto, it allows these traders to leverage our proprietary software to facilitate trades, not only for themselves, but for those who choose to follow them automatically, even while they're sleeping. without giving up custody or control of their crypto. Most important part.
Amazing.
So this is a hands-off type of business model, but at the same time, one could sleep very comfortably knowing that their crypto is in their exchange.
That's
So
amazing.
full transparency, Ahmed. All trades take place inside of the customer's exchange, and they're going to keep 100% of the trading profits.
Amazing. So they keep every penny of that profit, or
They
every.
keep every penny of the profit. It's actually, according to U.S. laws, it's illegal to pay out commissions on someone's profit if you're not a licensed registered broker and all that stuff. I used to be in the financial service arena with New York Life. So I mean, and there, you know, as an agent with New York Life, there were certain financial programs that I couldn't even talk about because I didn't have a license.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
we just wanted a very, very clean business model. We didn't want a gray area. It's just clean. Your money is your money, and what you earn, you keep. The company pays the pro traders for their performance. We constantly evaluate the traders on their performance. So you could see some traders over time, Ahmed, come and go if they're not continuing to trade up to par. But the traders that we have are fantastic. I've been working with them anywhere from a year to 5 years.
Absolutely. And I'm a witness to that because three of those traders are my Facebook friends. We chat. I've actually spoken to two of them, and they're on my Facebook. I know their families, and they're amazing traders. And it's an amazing opportunity.
Yes.
I mean, it's a no-brainer. We have a professional crypto trader who does
Yes.
this for a living. He does not have a job. He does not have any other business. All they do is this: they live off trading
That's right.
crypto and accumulating bitcoins. And if I'm able to take their trades, you know, what could be better than that? I mean, eventually I want to get into trading myself, but that learning curve, it's going to take me a few
That's
months,
right.
maybe a year or two. But meanwhile, I have these amazing traders.
Believe me, I know how to trade. I know how to trade them, man. And I did trade for a while, but now I'm on autopilot, brother. I don't trade anymore. I let the traders do it, and I just live my life.
That's
And my
amazing.
wife, by the way, is one of the pro traders.
I know that. And she's my friend too.
So she loves it. You know, it's in her spirit. So I mean, she enjoys it. She enjoys it even more so what it does for the people that are following her. That she really, really enjoys that.
Absolutely, Mr. McVeigh. I mean, with the inflation, with what's going on globally, we,
Yes.
at least in the US, especially in California, we can't survive on a paycheck. We just can't. And it's
Not with the price of gas the way it is in
no,
California.
exactly. Exactly. You know, so having something like this, and I don't even want to, I don't even have to sell anyone on the Bitcoin. People get it. And if they
Yeah,
don't get it, that's fine. I don't
that's
care.
right.
But the one who knows about it, the one who get it,
Yeah.
and the one who knows, the value of Bitcoin, especially looking in the long
Yes.
run, this is the way. This is the way to accumulate Bitcoin for yourself, for your family,
Yes.
for your kids, for your loved ones.
Yes. It's a model that I've been living on, Doha and I, for the past 5 years. We
Amazing.
live on it. And
Wow.
so we don't have any fiat in the bank, all in digital assets. So this is a long-term business model with what I call medium to low risk
Yeah.
at the end of the day. Because if something were to happen to the company don't have anybody's money. Your money is in your own exchange. So that gives a great peace of mind. But to be able to leverage the expertise and knowledge of these traders to accumulate an asset that we all know that's going to eventually continue to rise in value over time. And all we're doing is position ourselves to accumulate more and more and more. It's a beautiful model.
It
It's a
sure
beautiful
is.
model.
Absolutely. And you say it so calmly, but in reality, this is a game changer in the industry, literally. I mean, just think about it. There
It
are like
is.
thousands of programs, thousands and companies that come and go. A lot of them, I don't want to
Yes.
name them, but Ponzi, blah, blah, blah. You give out
Yeah.
your Bitcoin to someone, to an external wallet, boom, it's gone. You're not sure if you're going to
Yeah.
get paid on it. With this
Yeah.
opportunity, I can sleep peacefully because I know no matter what, even if Liberian crypto goes away, my crypto, my money is still with me in my exchange.
Yes.
You know,
That's what my wife and I have come to that conclusion that it's better to just stay on a course and a path that works consistently
yes,
as opposed to trying to go for the get rich quick
yeah,
business models that most people are sold that you and I both know is not in really reality. Work for some, but
right,
not truly sustainable, just very high risk. And then you put your reputation on the line, kind of
yep,
promoting some of those business models if they don't pan out. So I've been through all of that. I've been through all of that. I don't want to go through that anymore. And that's why we have what we have, a model where you can enroll for free. And then you can select a trade token package. There's no monthly subscription, you know? So if the trader is not buying, you haven't lost any trade credits. It's just whenever the trader buys, it buys for you. It's a win-win-win model.
it sure is. And anyone can do it. That's the beauty. You don't need to know crypto. You don't need to know trading. You don't need to know how to read the charts. That's it. You just set up the money that you want to use per trade and follow the trade. The trader is going to do it. You don't even have to you don't have to click
That's right.
anywhere. You don't have to submit anything. It's happening real time with the API key. And whoever is watching this video and they want to join this opportunity, you're going to WhatsApp me. Just call me. Globally, you can call me from India, from Pakistan, from Saudi Arabia, from South Africa. As long as you speak English or Hindi or Urdu, we can talk about it. I can walk you through the process on how to set it up. So Mr. Big Bay, one more question. If
Yes,
someone
we even
who
have great tutorial videos.
That's awesome. Yeah, that's another thing. We have tutorial videos to, for setting it up. Um, one question that
Yes.
I have is, if someone who shares this opportunity with others, or if there are some people who are team builders or who have been in marketing, what's in there for them?
Okay. Well, we thought about that obviously when we put this together. We wanted to serve two type of customers. We wanted to serve the customers that's not interested in recruiting, that simply just want to earn a passive income play. We've got that. And then, of course, as a company, we want to grow, but we felt that it was better for the everyday ordinary person that's using the software, who we feel that would be in a better position to share the business model with others, because they're the ones using it. They're the ones that are able to show their results. And from that, we will pay you in Bitcoin or Litecoin or even Dogecoin, depending on how the consumer pays, in real time directly into the wallet of your choice. So there's no waiting on the money. If a customer pays today, 3 blockchain confirmations, your commissions is going to be in your wallet.
That's
So
amazing.
it's a very, very unique opportunity. And you can earn anywhere from $25 on all of your personal directs to as much as $240 on your personal directs. And we pay 20 levels deep in real time.
20 levels.
In real time.
My God.
20 levels deep.
That's another unbelievable thing
20
about this
levels.
opportunity. 20 levels. My God. Wow. See, it's just amazing. It's just amazing. Uh,
There will be people that will earn a significant amount of Bitcoin, not only from accumulating it through trading, but they will also earn a significant income just by also introducing other customers, building their own customer base.
Absolutely. I've even heard a few stories people where people did not have their own money to put in exchange, but just by sharing this with others, they accumulated Bitcoin and then they started with the trades. So
There are people in the company, Ahmed, that were so hungry for the right opportunity. And of course, their financial situation wasn't the best. They couldn't trade, but they got in position for free. They went out and started marketing the business. They actually had customers to join and pay, and their commissions were accumulating in their back office on the dashboard because they could not withdraw because they themselves didn't pay for a trade package. But they had enough commission accumulated to pay for their trade package out of profit versus out of pocket, and all the access commission they were able to put in their own wallet, and of course continue to grow their business.
that's amazing. That's literally amazing. Yeah. I mean, here's,
So
you have, yeah,
that's huge.
it is. It is huge. You have given us a robust product. It's global. It's again, it's for people who don't want to build teams. They can benefit. People who share it with others, they're gonna, it will be amazing for them. Something that I want to do it myself. you
Right,
know and you are very accessible. The traders are accessible. They're real
right.
people. Somebody was asking me, like, how do you know if they're real or bots, because there's so much fraud? I'm like, dude, I know them. I've spoken to them. They've been around for a while. I've known them for even over a year now through some other crypto, because as you mentioned, a lot of them, they have their WhatsApp
Yes,
and Telegram that they've been working on from
that's
before.
right.
So anyway,
I've
yeah,
even done I've done interviews with some of the traders. Absolutely. They're accessible.
that
The ones that
they
want to
are
be, absolutely. Yeah.
absolutely. And I may even do that. I might reach out to Extreme and Carlo and interview them and share it with
They
others so
will love it.
people know.
They will love it.
Yeah. Well, Mr. McBay, thank you so much for your time. Uh,
You're
I
welcome.
I truly appreciate it. We'll stay in touch. You're always there answering our questions on the Facebook group, one on one.
Yes.
You're always there. So I totally appreciate your support. Uh, I think we're gonna reach out to millions of people worldwide with this
That's the
opportunity.
goal.
You
That's the
know,
goal.
exactly. And so the folks who are watching this, listening to this, please look in the description, look in this video. You'll find my link. Join through my link. you know Shoot me. My number will be right here, so send me a text message, send me an email. I'll leave my email address, and then let's connect, and I'll help you. It's Mr. McVay is
Very
helping
simple.
out his team.
Yeah.
I'll be there
Very
helping out
simple
my team.
process.
All
Ahmed,
right.
it takes leaders with vision to help people with dreams. And you, my friend, will help a lot of people. So I appreciate your leadership.
Thank you so much, Mr. McVay. You have a wonderful day.
You too. Take
All right,
care.
take care. Bye bye.